about Raila going to Addis Ababa. Some people are talking about Raila Amolo going to Addis Ababa as if that is the end of the world. As if that is the end of the world. I want them, if they are forgotten, there used to be somebody called Kurt Waldheim. He was the Secretary General of the United Nations. Secretary General for 2 terms. And when he finished, he went back to be president of Austria. Just in the 80s. In Africa, we have had the example of Zozana Zuma in South Africa and Mr. Ping in Cameroon. So Raila is not going to AU to meet some people's obligations. He's going there as a Pan-Africanist and a true Kenyan. And Baba Angeo ni mondiwe Kenya tek mondiwe Kenya. Kendo kata sani when you go everywhere in the country, when there's a little problem, wanasema baba yuko happy. Baba yuko happy. I said in Homa Bay, Baba can chew gum and walk at the same time. He can be in Addis Ababa and still take care of the affairs of the nation of Kenya, of the Republic of Kenya. Omio, jok moko maparo ga ni koro paka wuke od, ni koro yeyo nyalo ringe od. Ni koro yeyo tawala. Joko yeyo ngao. And I pray that the Azimio leadership, and my brother Wajakoya is here, you're my neighbor. We are saying that Azimio is intact, the leadership is intact, ODM is intact, nothing will bogor us. We are unbogable. Who can bogo? Let me end by supporting Wandai and Mbadi Nyang. There is a clawback on devolution. And Wandai and Mbadi has talked about the sharing of revenue. But the other thing I'm worried about, there are bills and policies and regulations before Parliament, which in essence is a clawback on devolution, on matters health, on matters agriculture, on matters water. If you look at the totality of what they're trying to do, in another 5 years, just entity name are fight the end to I'm saying that that will not happen. We will not allow what Baba fought so hard to be clawed away. Gimawa chogo apani manoromo adwanurwakna Baba, the President of African Union, the People's President, Raila Amolo Odinga.